Hello everyone and welcome to this video editing and motion graphics course with Premiere Pro and After Effects. I'm Adeni Oshibawo, a graduate of Computer Science from the University of Esfand, Benin Republic. Now, what's motion graphics? Motion graphics is basically moving graphics, moving text, animations that are in motion. This captures the eyes of your consumer. Animations, moving textures like stomp typography. These are awesome ways to capture people to stay glued to the ad or to the message you're trying to pass across to them. Research shows that 46% of consumers get to purchase whatever they are doing advertising to after they've watched an attractive ad, after they've watched an ad that looks more or less like a motion graphics. Now, these two work in hand in hand, motion graphics and video editing. Now, just like the video you're about to see now, the text that are moving are motion graphics. And like this video you're watching, the clips, the editing, the color correction, the touches, that's basically video editing. The concept behind the animation, the concept behind choosing the perfect color, the concept behind choosing the audio, these are many more of what you're going to learn in this course. Now, there are tons of software that can be used for to achieve video editing and motion graphics. We have DaVinci Resolve, we have Wonderchef Filmora, we have Final Cut, and other software. But we will be focusing on Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. Now, what are we going to learn in this course? First, we're going to learn the introduction. Of course, we'll learn the introduction of video editing, the concept behind video editing, and that of motion graphics, the concept behind motion moving text. And then we talk about the interface of each software. We talk about the interface of Premiere Pro. We talk about the interface of After Effects. And then we talk about the tools that are available. We talk about the composition, as composition are often mentioned in After Effects. We talk about timelines and workspaces. We talk about working with text. We talk about working with basic editing, which includes cutting, trimming, positioning, arranging your clips, because of course the videos that you'll be working on will not be only one clip, it will be a series of clips, and you join them together to form one beautiful clip. These are basic editing steps. I will talk about basic animating steps where you can animate a moving icon, you can animate a moving GIF image, you have it move from one place to another. That is more or less like we're talking about keyframing. These are what you're going to learn. You learn how to move text, how the text can turn over, how the text can grow or shrink, how to add color. We talk about color correction, we talk about a lot of things in this course. If you're interested in achieving all this, in becoming a bona fide and a sought-after video editor, in such a way that you can create motion graphics and can edit videos as well, why don't you click the Buy Now button, and I will see you in class.